Snagit 2020 takes the hassle out of making your technical content. We know it can take a lot of time to create nice-looking how-to guides or videos, especially when you want them to look professional. Now you can capture your process, add your explanation, and create visual instructions all within Snagit. With Create from Templates, designing step-by-step content is as easy as click and drag. New pre-made layouts in Snagit 2020 take the hard work out of creating visual documentation, tutorials, and training materials. Cut down on confusion, add more context, and create more video than ever before with Create Video from Images. It's never been so easy to make a video. In addition to standard Snagit video, Snagit 2020 now lets you talk and draw over a series of screenshots to create a quick how-to video or GIF. Once your content is created, Snagit 2020 now lets you share directly to Slack and Box, adding to over 15 other sharing destinations, making collaboration even simpler at work. We're also introducing all-new TechSmith assets for Snagit. With an annual subscription, gain access to thousands of visuals, including templates, photos, and stamps, to create even better instructional content. Snagit 2020 is all about making content creation easier. Create more than ever before. Upgrade today